Did you know that what you put on your plate could be just as important as what happens in the bedroom when it comes to male fertility? In today's fast-paced world, declining sperm count and hormonal imbalances are becoming increasingly common, and much of it traces back to poor diet and lifestyle choices. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us the tools to fight back. Scientific research now confirms that certain powerhouse foods can naturally supercharge sperm production, enhance motility, and even elevate testosterone levels. No pills, no gimmicks, just nutrition that works. Whether you're trying to start a family, improve your performance, or simply want to take charge of your hormonal health, it all begins with what you eat. In this video, we're breaking down the 6 most powerful, science-backed foods that can transform your reproductive health from the inside out. These aren't trendy superfoods or miracle cures. They're real, proven, nutrient-packed ingredients your body needs to thrive. So if you're serious about taking control of your virility, fertility, and overall vitality, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive into these game-changing, fertility-boosting foods that every man should know about. Number 1. Pomegranates, the natural testosterone booster. Often referred to as a symbol of fertility in ancient cultures, pomegranates live up to the name. Rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, they help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 of the biggest threats to sperm quality. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly has been shown to increase testosterone levels and boost sperm motility and concentration. Even more impressively, pomegranates help lower cortisol, the stress hormone that directly inhibits testosterone production. They also increase nitric oxide levels, improving blood flow to reproductive organs and enhancing erectile performance. Key benefits: naturally increases testosterone, improves sperm motility, morphology, and concentration, reduces cortisol to maintain hormonal balance, enhances erectile function and reproductive health. Number 2. Garlic, the natural circulation enhancer. Garlic has been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties, and when it comes to male fertility, it packs a powerful punch. The key compound in garlic, allicin, works as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body. This is especially important for male reproductive health, as it ensures that the testes receive a rich supply of oxygen and nutrients, essential for healthy sperm development. But that's not all. Garlic is also loaded with selenium, a potent antioxidant, and vitamin B6, both of which are critical for maintaining optimal testosterone levels and protecting sperm from oxidative damage. Plus, its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can reduce reproductive tract infections and lower inflammation that might impair fertility. Key benefits: enhances blood flow to the testes for improved sperm production. Rich in selenium and vitamin B6 for hormonal and sperm support, reduces oxidative stress that damages sperm cells. Number 3. Spinach, the fertility-boosting leafy green. This vibrant green is a fertility powerhouse. Spinach is loaded with folate, a B vitamin that's essential for the development of healthy, genetically stable sperm. Low folate levels are associated with an increased risk of sperm abnormalities and infertility. It's also a great source of magnesium, a mineral that not only boosts testosterone, but also helps regulate cortisol, balancing your hormones naturally. With high levels of antioxidants like vitamin C and E, spinach protects sperm from oxidative damage, keeping them strong and mobile. Key benefits: provides folate for DNA integrity in sperm, contains magnesium to increase testosterone and reduce stress, shields sperm from free radical damage, promotes overall fertility and hormone regulation. Number 4. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. The omega-3 testosterone booster. Fatty fish are fertility goldmines. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they help regulate sex hormones and boost sperm production at a cellular level. Omega-3s are essential for building the fluid membrane around sperm cells, improving their motility, shape, and strength. Key factors for successful fertilization. These fish are also excellent sources of vitamin D, which acts like a hormone in the body. Studies show that men with higher levels of vitamin D tend to have higher testosterone and better quality sperm. And because omega-3s reduce systemic inflammation, they protect sperm from damage and improve blood flow to the genitals. Key benefits: enhances sperm motility, count, and structure. Supports testosterone production through vitamin D. Promotes healthy blood flow to reproductive organs. Combats inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 5. Dark chocolate, the nitric oxide enhancer. Dark chocolate, with 70% cocoa or more, is more than just a treat. It's a potent fertility food. It contains L-arginine, an amino acid that helps the body produce nitric oxide, which in turn improves blood flow to the genital region. This can boost erectile function and support the delivery of nutrients to the testes for better sperm output. In addition, dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help shield sperm from free radical damage. This means healthier sperm DNA, better motility, and reduced chances of defects. Plus, the natural mood-enhancing compounds in cocoa can also boost libido and energy levels. Key benefits: increases nitric oxide levels to improve erections and circulation, provides L-arginine to raise sperm count, protects sperm DNA with antioxidants, enhances libido, energy, and mood. Number 6. Bananas, the testosterone-regulating superfruit. Bananas are much more than a convenient snack. They're a natural performance enhancer. They contain bromelain, an enzyme that can help elevate testosterone levels and increase sexual desire. Bananas also provide a generous dose of vitamin B6, which is key for regulating sex hormones and improving mood and energy. What sets bananas apart is their ability to reduce stress and support adrenal function. Chronic stress leads to high cortisol, which suppresses testosterone. Bananas help combat that while delivering quick, natural energy to enhance stamina and physical performance. Key benefits: elevates testosterone and supports libido, provides vitamin B6 for hormone regulation, reduces stress-induced testosterone decline, increases energy, stamina, and sexual vitality. Key takeaways for maximum results: if you want to boost testosterone, enhance sperm quality, and improve reproductive health, these 6 science-backed foods are a must-have in your diet. Packed with essential nutrients, they support hormonal balance, sperm production, and overall fertility. Whether you're trying to conceive or simply want to support your reproductive function, these superfoods can make a significant difference. Start adding them to your meals today. Which of these fertility-boosting foods do you already eat? What's your go-to food for reproductive health? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and check out our other videos to take your fitness and wellness to the next level.